Okay, we have an idea. We can only get 1 dozen eggs because we have 4 days left to cross the border.
No. I was just trying not to buy more eggs than we would use before we cross the border. I don't know how many days it will take us to get there.
But if we use them all, or if we don't use them all, then
we can throw them at the border agents. Just kidding.
Do you want to tell us where you live today?
Buenas tardes. Bienvenidos a San Miguel de Allende en México, en estado de Guanajuato.
Oh, now for the taste test.
It's really good.
¿Qué tal están sus taquitos?
The tacos here are really good, and the sauces are even better. Buenos dias. We're out here exploring San Miguel de Allende, and we found this church.
What's it called?
I don't know, but I totally thought it was Buenas Tardes based on the clock. The clock is wrong. It's only 10:15 a.m. We're just out here walking the dog, exploring the town. We don't really know where we're going, but it's cute nonetheless, so we're just gonna wander around.
No, you. We found this other church. We found a Volkswagen garbage truck. Like all their trucks. We found a scent. We found this dome thing. Next to that dome is a pointy thing.
We found a grocery store.
We found this other church, Majiggy. If Bird Lady's watching, we found this really religious bird. We found this view.
You have to pay.
Our van is like somewhere down there at the little tennis courts because we are camping at the tennis club in San Miguel de Allende.
Wow.
That's how you say it if you're American. It's San Miguel de Allende if you are proper. We are in Pork Belly Restaurante, and we're getting some din din. And we found a beer that's actually good.
What'd you get?
I got a hamburger, because we're basically already into America. Just kidding. But this is a very gringo town. So they have hamburguesas, but it's like brisket. Look at that. What did you get?
I got a sirloin burger and fries and some house catsup.
Can you show us your insides?
My cheese. It's pretty good. How's yours? Finishing the night off with some ice cream is muy bien. Rob got coco con crema de coco, and I got platano con fresa.
Banana with strawberry.
It's so good. I'm pretty sure we walked right by this church yesterday and didn't even realize it because we were so focused on the dog and staying in shade. But here's the Archangel of San Miguel de Allende.
I thought you said staying in shape.
That too.
Do you want a soda for this hot dog?
A soda?
Like to go with it?
I do like the sodas here. They are much better than sodas in the United States. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed our time in San Miguel de Allende. It seems like a really great town, although it was a little toasty during the days, but nice cool evenings.
If you like this video, then like this video.
Thanks for watching.
And come back in a few days and you can watch another video of us going back to America, where we came from.
See you next time.
Go back to your own dang country.